Mom! I finally made it! I'm officially sponsored by Red Bull! Time to suit up and stunt out! Woo! Woo! Woo!
Linus, Red Bull doesn't want you to do any stunts. You're just building PCs.
Oh. But building PCs to the extreme?
Yeah, they're for extremely cool people.
All right!
The first is for soccer superstar Alphonso Davies, and the second is for a huge streamer that we're gonna reveal later. What both have in common though are top tier gaming components, unique custom designs, and of course the fact that they are both sponsored by Red Bull. As for our video, it's sponsored by TRYX and Seasonic, which 3 sponsors?
Have you seen the price of PC components these days?
Okay, that's fair.
But enough about that. Let's talk about the plan. I really loved the grass and diorama aesthetic of Luke's build that we did, Bulbasaur. And I think that some of what worked there could translate really well to a soccer pitch theme. Huh?
But before we get to that, let's talk about the PC that Red Bull is having us build, starting with our CPU, the AMD Ryzen 7 9800 X3D. 8 Zen 5 cores, a massive 3D V-cache. This is the gaming king. Yeah, well, sort of. The 9850 X3D is slightly faster, but not to the point where a gamer would notice in the real world, so we'd recommend whichever is the better deal at the time. As for our motherboard, we chose the Asus ROG Strix X878 Gaming Wi-Fi. Why? Sorry, because it has all the features of a good X870 board, including great power delivery, Wi-Fi 7, and dual USB 4 ports. It also has a pretty nice aesthetic, which may not be the most important factor in every build, but it definitely matters for a showcase build that we're delivering to one of the world's top athletes on behalf of one of the world's top sellers of fizzy-flavored energy liquid. For our RAM, we've got 64 gigs of G.Skill Trident Z5 rated at 6,000 megatransfers per second. Now at CL30 timings, this is not the fastest memory on the market, but as we talked about recently, an X3D chip doesn't really need top tier memory in order to perform well. And do you have any idea what top tier memory costs? If you can even find it? On the subject of components that are overpriced these days, we've loaded up the system with 4 terabytes of storage, which is pretty freaking nice to have, but we didn't go completely balls to the wall on the spec, going for the Samsung 9100 Pro. The highlights for this drive include PCIe Gen 5 speeds, and the lowlights are, well, there's nothing. It's ready for anything. OS drive today, and hey, if direct storage ever actually matters, it'll be ready for that too. Super nice drive, without spending actually much more per gig than even more pedestrian models.
Now for the case and the fun. The 3-sided panoramic glass of the Height Y70 just gives us all these angles by which we can see all the craft work we're gonna do on the PC. And it includes a PCIe Gen 4 riser that allows us to mount our GPU vertically, and it's got intakes like everywhere.
Or at least it used to, David. I couldn't help noticing that we covered the bottom intakes.
Yeah, we did a little bit of pre-work because we wanted to be sort of precise, but this is the beginning of our grass aesthetic happening down here.
We should still have enough. It should be fine.
Yeah! What's the worst that could happen?
Something to note is that while this is officially a PCIe Gen 4 riser, Height has clarified that it should work at Gen 5 speeds, which is pretty cool. My notes say noticed the pre-installed Fantex fans.
Yes,
consider them noticed. I'm also noticing some Lee and Lees down here. Are those gonna do anything?
They will blow air and shine a little bit RGB.
Cool. On that note, with our airflow a little restricted, we're gonna want a pretty beefy CPU cooler. And we've gone with the TRYX Stage ARGB 360mm AIO. It uses an Eshtek pump system with their Sigrid V2 pump using their one-phase motor design and a large radiator rated for up to 280 watts of thermal capacity. It's also got 3 included RGB fans that clip together to reduce nasty cable hangage, and probably most important, the stage refers to these dual IPS screens that sit on top of a mirrored base where you can showcase your figurines and play custom videos. That's pretty cool.
And it's way more cool than you think. We had our animation superstar Robert make up some animations that I'm genuinely excited to show you, but we're gonna have to wait to fire up our PC first. And to do that, we're gonna need our 1200 watt Seasonic Vertex GX.
Full modularity, compatibility with ATX 3.1 and PCIe 5.1 standards, not to mention a giant 135mm fan for whisper quiet operation make this a great power supply today. What makes it a great power supply tomorrow is that Seasonic stands by their products with up to a 12-year transferable warranty, which means that you can either use this bad boy for over a decade worry-free, or if you want to upgrade to something, can't imagine what, but let's say they release something even better, you can sometimes get a better offer on your old unit since they will also cover the buyer.
I could imagine needing an upgrade seeing the way that GPUs are going.
Yeah, I mean, it'll handle this today, but who knows what NVIDIA is going to have in the future. This thing's an absolute monster. We chose the Asus ROG Astral RTX 5090 for its 32 gigs of VRAM, 2580 megahertz boost clocks, and, okay, if I'm being real, we like that it has really flat surfaces for decorating. Also, baller GPU for a baller, you know?
Hey!
I literally can't even bend my knee enough. All right, let's get this thing installed.
David's gonna install our Lee & Lee 8.8-inch universal screen for PC, and we're gonna have more animation up there. We just kinda wanna have sensory overload, you know what I mean? That's what every good PC needs. You look at the PC and you're just overwhelmed.
With that installed now,
Time for the fun part.
this is gonna be awesome.
Arts and crafts, that's why I built PCs, baby.
I think his form could use some work. These guys are cute though.
Okay, the plan is we have figures to have a little soccer game down here. We have all these buddies to be spectators up here. We have our screen that's gonna be a scoreboard at the top. It's not functioning as a scoreboard, but it animates like a scoreboard. And then we need to build a little scenery block that goes back here to kind of hide some of the cable mess when you view it from the front.
Oh, sick. Can I do spectators?
Yeah, you can.
So what do you think in terms of like spectator locations? Do you want them just kind of, should they be looking this way?
So when I was doing my mock-up, I did 5, which is boring. But you could put as many as you want.
Nice. I feel really bad hot gluing a 5090. And you insist I can't have guys up here, hey?
You can, just you can't hot glue them.
I can't hot glue them.
I don't think we should to a mirrored surface.
Yeah.
You
If
know what?
anything, it'll come off.
You're the boss.
Well, do you have another figure that's supposed to go there?
We have 2.
We have Lieutenant Dan and
What's another pop culture?
Edward Scissorhands, but without his scissors. What do you think of napping guy over here? Oh, let's get rid of him.
Yeah, sure. Don't glue him in.
Okay, that's basically a no. Let's close this thing up, power it up, and have a look at how the scoreboard ties the whole thing together. Oh, dude, I haven't even seen this. That's awesome. Got the Red Bull etching on there?
That
What?
reminds me, the most important thing of our entire friggin' upgrade.
What do you got? No way. Where is this from?
I found like a dollhouse company that sells accessories for dollhouses, and they sell little Red Bull cans.
How much did we pay for them?
$3 each.
So like more than a real Red Bull.
That's pretty close these days.
This is the closest I'm ever gonna be to being sponsored by Red Bull, so I'm gonna enjoy it.
Yo, are we good at what we do?
Sometimes, not always. What am I looking at here?
You're looking at the power button.
This is the power button?
Yeah, you gotta score a goal.
Shut up. Oh. Control, you must learn control. Okay, that time I got it.
Oh!
Well, we're still working on the details there. Yeah.
Okay, it's just temporary. Pretend it's an Alphonso Davies figure.
Still working on that.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my God, it has his name scrolling across the top. Right. Oh, I love it.
Yeah. Robert really went above and beyond where he's like, I don't want you to be able to see where it loops. So he made each video 5 minutes.
That's so cool.
Yeah. These ones are a little less involved. The next one will blow your mind. But before we can blow Linus's mind with this PC, we actually need to finish it up. And you might be wondering, who's gonna be getting this PC? Well, Conan O'Brien called their gaming name the greatest name in gaming history. And they've been huge on Twitch forever, playing games like Hearthstone and especially Among Us. you may have heard of, this guy's toast. Let's take a look at his PC. We're using pretty much all the same parts as the soccer pitch PC, but in black. The motherboard is a slightly nicer X870E motherboard, and obviously this case is a little different. Let's talk about that.
We contacted Thermaltake directly, and they were able to ship this one out in short order. We actually only got it like 2 days before shooting.
Yeah, thank you Thermaltake for sending the Thermaltake View 600 TG in butter caramel. Let's decorate. The plan is a little more straightforward than with the soccer pitch PC. We have these Among Us figures that we're gonna kind of hide throughout. We have the same stage AIO kind of thing going on that we have custom animations for. We have another Lian Li screen, and we got more Red Bull. So we're kind of just gonna spread them throughout in this beautiful montage that you're currently watching. Wow, whoa, wow. Justin hurt himself during our shoot yesterday, and neither David nor I have particularly steady hands or really good finesse details. So I'm gonna do my best, but my best is not very good. This is the whole reason we got the yellow case, just so we could make that a reality. Craft's done, time to close it up and see what Linus thinks.
Okay, that looks so cool.
Yeah.
Ah, you spilled the Red Bull.
Yeah.
I love it. I think we've outdone ourselves on this one.
Those Red Bull cans just make it so nice and cool.
This is incredible. I mean, the thing is, when you're a streamer, right? They let you have any PC you want. I think you'd actually want to use this.
I think you'd actually want to use this. I mean, just check out the animations. It's all custom done by Robert, and they're like, it looks so good that we might get a copyright infringement letter. Don't look.
Blur it. Pixelate it. The meeting table, I love it. Oh man, and with it sitting in the room?
Yeah, it looks like it's actually kind of there.
Oh, that's awesome.
Is there anything left but the game?
No, yeah, I mean, what game should we play?
Among Us?
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah, we figured out how to get it to at least 240 frames. It was locked at 60 originally. Solid.
Okay.
3% GPU usage.
Tasks.
Oh, you gotta keep fixing it? Oh, now it's storage. Oh, I see.
Yeah, divert power to O2. I'm doing stuff. Please don't call me sus. All right, let's try some FIFA. Okay, that's pass, so that's cool.
Gnarby.
Okay, he's going.
Hey!
Oh,
It's our man.
how do I shoot? How the hell do I shoot?
Man, the animation's so good.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Man, they really put their money in this one, not NHL.
I want to get to Davies.
Okay. Oh! Hey! Let's go!
Or wait, no.
Oh.
No, it didn't hit the side of the goal. You know what? I think the canon ending of this video is going to be that Davies scored. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy your systems. Massive thanks to Red Bull for reaching out for this collaboration. This was really fun, and great job, Team David
And Justin.
and Justin, for getting this done. These look incredible.
And thank you to TRYX for sponsoring the video. Thanks to Seasonic for sponsoring these videos. You can check out their stuff in the links in the video description. And if you like videos like this, you should check out the time we upgraded Luke's PC.
Oh yeah, that was so
another
cool.
really good one.
Bulbasaur build is amazing. Oh,
Yeah.
hold on, he's going for it. He's going for it.
Oh.